All right, this is the ice roller and gua sha tool set that I'm going to be talking to you guys about today. The company actually sent me this to try out, and I have been loving adding these both into my morning routine. They just help me feel more awake, and they're definitely helping with the under eye puffiness. I don't know about you guys, but when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I see are my dark circles and my eye bags. So I have been loving this thing. So this one's cool because this comes apart. So this is just like a plastic material, but then this little guy here, it almost has like little gel balls inside of it. So you just take this part, take it apart, and then you just put this part in the freezer or the fridge if you don't want it super duper cold, because it is chilly. I will say that. But it just feels so nice and calming. I like to focus mostly on my under eyes, but I will do like my whole entire face. And it just feels so nice and just helps wake me up and depuff. And then I will go in with this. Before you do either one of them, I like to put on like an oil on my face just so that it glides a little bit easier. But with this little tool, I like to focus mostly on my jawline just to kind of get that, lifted effect. And then I will bring it all the way down here just to kind of get like that lymphatic draining going in the morning. So I have been loving this set so much. If you have been looking for a set like this, I would definitely give this one a shot. I am loving these so far.